How to use a conditional statement based on DataFrame boolean value in pandas. Now I know how to check the DataFrame for specific values across multiple columns. However, I can't seem to work out how to carry out an if statement based on a boolean response. For example, walk directories using os.walk and read in a specific file into a DataFrame. Now checking that DataFrame across multiple columns. The first value being the column name, column 1, the next value is the specific value I am looking for in that column banana. I am then checking another column, column 2, for a specific value, green. If both of these are true, I want to carry out a specific task. However, if it is false, I want to do something else. So something like,
if you want to check if any row of the data frame meets your conditions, you can use .any along with your condition. Example. This is because your condition, df column 1 equals banana, and df color equals green, returns a series of true/false values. This is because in pandas, when you compare a series against a scalar value, it returns the result of comparing each row of that series against the scalar value, and the result is a series of true/false values indicating the result of comparison of that row with the scalar value. Example. And the end is row-wise and for the two series. Example. Now to check if any of the values from this series is true, you can use .any. To check if all the values in the series are true, you can use .all.
Conditional. Puzzles is the